bunga, oh, malaki na eh. Oh, yun. Let's harvest for the year, Kapinay. Yan oh. Oh, pitas. Magluto tayo ng pikadilyo. Meron pang kasamang ampalaya. Pero pick upin natin yan sa Sabado kasi pupunta yung aking kaibigan. Gusto niya ng ampalaya. Yan oh. Let's pitas. Gat ah. Yan oh, tabungaw, Kapinay. Marami pa eh na lumalabas. Ayan oh, isa. Ayan oh, isa pa yan. Yan oh, meron pa dyan. Saan pa meron pang isa rito eh na lumalaki. Hasan na? Yun oh, ito oh, yan oh. Yun. Ito, meron pa oh. Hindi ko muna yan pipitasin. Saka meron pa dito sa ibaba. Nilagyan ko ng sapin para hindi siya kainin ng lupa. Yun oh. Labas natin. Oh. May kasama pang isa dyan oh, na maliit oh. Sana lalaki pang mga yan. The season is almost over. So wala na ito ulit. By middle of November alisin na namin ito sa next year ulit. Yan. Oh, marami pang bunga ng aking bataw. Oh, yan oh. Ang sipag tong bataw na magbunga eh. Yan oh. Daming bunga talaga. Ayun oh. Oh. Dami, pitasin ko yan this weekend. Yan yung aking bataw, parda. Last harvest na yan sa weekend. Okay, Kapinay, balatan na natin yung ating upo. Pag malaki ito, oh, ayan oh, murang-mura pa. Ganda. So, balatan natin, Kapinay. Oh, ang ganda oh, murang-mura, Kapinay. Fresh from the garden. Yun. Meron akong peeler doon, kaya lang tamad ko ng ano eh, ganito na lang. Mas gusto ko ganito eh, oh. Diba? Ayan. Yun. Ganyan. Dapat maalis yung green kasi pag hindi mo masyadong naalis yan, giging maasim daw yata ang upo pag hindi naalis ng maganda yung balat. Okay. Let's slice it. Gusto ko yung aking upo ay chunky, yung malalaki ang hiwa. Ganyan oh. Alright, ganyan lang. Malalaki ang hiwa. Yung iba masyadong, yung iba nag-iwas sila ng upo parang yung maliliit. Ako naman gusto ko chunky. Yan, chunky upo. Chunky upo kasi malambot naman yan eh. Yan. Yun. Chunky opo ang gulay na magalang ay upo. Okay, Kapinay, we'll continue slicing our upo. Okay. Ayan, Kapinay, malapit na maluto yung ating crabs na ini-steam. Oh, yun oh. Okay, it's been steaming for 20 minutes, so but I want to keep it steaming for a while. Okay, alright. Sana mataba sila. Okay, Kapinay, I think luto na ang ating crabs. It's been steaming or boiling, steaming for 45 minutes. So I guess it's already cooked. Ayan o. Mausok siya. So we turn off the heat at tignan natin kung mataba sila mamaya para lumamig muna ng konti. Yan o, sarap. Tingnan natin kung masarap ang crabs. Kung mataba siya. Tingnan natin mamaya. Okay, Kapinay, I think we're ready to cook. Ready na tayo magluto. Ito na yung ating kunting sahog na beef. Our frozen tomatoes from the garden. Ang maganda rito, naalis na yung skin. Garlic, of course, and onion. White black pepper, salt, and our tabunga, our long squash from the garden. Okay? We're ready to cook, Kapinay. Simple food, but it's yummy. Yeah. Okay, let's cook. Okay, Kapinay, mag-start na tayong maggisa. Igisa natin yung ating tabunga. Kunti lang ang ating mantika. Just to saute our onions and garlic. Most of the time, I cook my long squash with beef. Sometimes I just mix it all, the beef and the tomato, garlic, salt and pepper, gisa-gisa. But this time I'm gonna saute it. Oh, this is lots of garlic with some beef fat. I save some of the beef fat so we don't need to use maybe the beef bouillon. Alrighty. Lots of garlic, Kapinay. Yeah. And lots of onions. We will brown a little bit our garlic to achieve the aroma to come out. Filipinos love fried garlic. We're trying to sear some of the beef fat that it will make our dish more flavorful, beef flavorful. And speaking of garlic, here I cook peanut adobo and lots of garlic, Kapinay. Yan, so crunchy. Sarap. Peanut adobo. We're trying to let the beef fat render also, so it would melt to our dish. Ayan, nagiging brownish na yung ating garlic. So now, we will put our lots of onion, Kapinay. Sarap. Let our onion be translucent. We are going to put our white pepper. I think our onion is ready. We will put our beef. Our beef, Kapinay. Not much beef. Panpalasa lang. Okay, isa pa more. Our beef. We will put some salt. Okay, this is our sauce, Papinay. We will saute our beef for a few minutes and let it render the juice. Now we'll cover it, Kapinay. We will render the juice first of the beef, so our dish will be flavorful. Alright, Kapinay, we'll check our beef. Okay, I think our beef is now rendered. Now we will put our tomato. Our tomato is more like of a tomato sauce because the skin is already removed. These are tomatoes from our garden, Kapinay. Yellow and red tomato. We don't need to put a lot of tomatoes because it would make our dish sour. Alright? Okay. Now let it boil for now. Let the tomato and the juice of the beef would melt. And we will have to tenderize our beef. Then we will put our upo, and we could add some water if it needs to. Alrighty. Yeah. Okay, Kapinay, let's check our tomato and beef. Yeah, it becomes juicy now. We have to tenderize our beef and let's see how tender it is. Yan, malambot is tender, Kapinay. It's good. I guess we could put our tabunga already. Ayan o, tabunga, a lot. One whole pot. Yun. Yan. Isa at kalahati lang ito eh. Oops. Hindi yata kasya, Kapinay. Gawin ko itong inabraw yung iba. Okay. Kasya yan. Pagkasyahin. Yun. Kasya natin. Yun o. Oh, umapaw na tabungaw. Yun. Habang nag-antay na lumambot, subukan nga natin, tingnan natin yung crabs kung mataba o hindi. Sample. Oops. We will sample the crabs, Kapinay, kung mataba. I hope mataba. Parang hindi ah. Oops. Mainit stick. Hindi mataba, Kapinay. Ewan ko yung iba. Yun o. May laman. Tingnan natin. Sapa. Oh, ito ito meron taba oh. Yun. Merong konting taba. Pero pwede na kasi hindi naman maganda yung puro tabang kakainin. Okay, Okay, pwede na to. Balikta rin natin ang ating upo kapinay. Ayan. Hirap na yata rito. Nag-uumapaw ang ating upo. We will put hot water kapinay para maluto yung ating tabungaw. Okay, masarap yan ng sabaw, matamis. Okay, luto pa more. Okay, kapinay, let's check our dish again. Kumukulo na mabuti. It's halo pa more. Ayan, at least naluluto na sa ibabaw. Ayan, sarap yan kapinay. Yun, kunti pa. Kunti pang luto at maluluto na ito. Yun, sarap. Yum yum, tabungaw, matamis yan. Galing, sarap. Fresh na fresh from the garden. Pinitas natin. Good. Let's taste the saltiness. It is already okay. Ito natin sa gitna ko ninyo lasang kung maalat o matabang. Matabang na matamis, sarap. Kunting asin. We are going to add some more salt kapinay, and that's about it. Yun. Masarap ang ating ulam kapinay. Ayaw ko nang dagdagan ng tubig. Tama na yan. Sarap yan. Tutuin pa natin ng konti. Okay, kapinay. Let's check our dish again. It's already cooked, kapinay. Wow, it's easy to cook it. It's already cooked. Ayan. So, we'll taste the tabungaw. If it's already cooked. Yun. Okay. Init. So good. Sweet. So good, kapinay. Alright. It's cooked. Okay, kapinay, luto na yung ating tabunga. Turn off the heat. At pwede na tayong kumain. Kain na tayo. Okay, kapinay, tikman natin ang ating nilutong upo. Yun, umuusok pa siya. Yummy, yum, yum. You know. Sarap yung sabaw, kapinay. Yun. Alright. Kunti muna. Tikim-tikim lang tayo ngayon. Sarap. O kaya damihan na lang. Ito ng hapunan natin. Huwag muna ng kanin. Okay? Alright, tikman natin yung ating just a lot already. Niluto, upo, kapinay. Okay, kapinay, tikman natin yung ating ulam na niluto. Ang ganda ng kulay, oh. The kulay is red. Tomato. Taste the soup. Sarap. Sarap, kapinay, sarap. Wow. It's so good, kapinay. Magpapak na lang muna tayo. Sarap. It's so sweet. Fresh from the garden. Nothing can beat that. Kaso dito kasi sa Chicago, like the other winter states, our plant is not whole year. Mamamatay sila, wala na nga. So this, our tabunga is the last one. Our crab is also have algae. Ito lang ang hapunan natin. Good too. Ito, pangatlo. Ha, takaw ka, no? Thank you for watching. Enjoy your cooking. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you, thank you.